Good morning, students. I am Shipu, your maths teacher. I hope all of you have done your previous work. I am telling you the answer of previous work. Answer of question number 3 is 100 and 361,000 are perfect square because here number of zeros are 2 and 2 is even number. Here number of zeros are 4. 4 is also an even number. That's why this can be perfect square. And answer of question number 4, 1026 and 1024 can be perfect square because their last digits are 6 and 4. As I have told you that the numbers ending with 2, 3, 7, 8 cannot be a perfect square, but their last are 6 and 4. So these can be perfect square. Now I am telling you about the fourth fact about perfect square. Fourth fact is the difference between the square of two consecutive natural numbers is equal to their sum. What is the meaning of consecutive? Consecutive means लगातार. For example, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5. So the difference between two consecutive natural number is equal to their sum. For example, we can take 3, 4. 4 square minus 3 square is equal to the 4 square means 16, 3 square means 9. The answer is 7 and 7 can be obtained by adding them. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. We can take another example. For example, we can take 5 and 6. 5 and 6 are also consecutive number. So 6 square minus 5 square is equal to 36 minus 25 is equal to 11. We can also obtain the answer by adding them. 6 plus 5, 11. So this is the fourth fact. The difference between the square of two consecutive natural numbers is equal to their sum. For example, 7 square minus 6 square. So what is the answer? By shortcut method, 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. This is the answer. This is the fourth fact about perfect square. Now our next topic is how many non-square numbers lies between square number. Non-square numbers lies between square number. For example, 1 square and 2 square. These are square number. 1 square means 1 and 2 square means 4. So how many non-squares number lies between them? 2 and 3. It means two non-square number lies between them. We can take another example. 2 square and 3 square. These are square number. 2 square means 4 and 3 square means 9. So how many non-square numbers lies between them? 5, 6, 7, 8. It means 4. 4 non-square numbers lies. We can take another example. 3 square and 4 square. 3 square means 9 and 4 square means 16. So how many non-square numbers lies between them? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. These are 6 numbers. So what we have observed from them here, two numbers lies between them. Two non-square number means 1 square and 2 square are square number and two non-square number lies between them 2. It means 2 multiply the smallest natural number 1. 2 multiply 1 is equal to 2. Here 2 square and 3 square, how many non-square numbers lies between them? 4. It means 2 multiply smallest natural number is 2. 4. Here 6 non-square number lies between them 3 square and 4 square. It means 2 multiply smallest natural number is 3. So what is the formula to find the non-square number lies between the square number is 2 multiply n. And what is the value of n here? N is the smallest natural number 1, 2, 3. We can take another example. For example, 7 square and 8 square. Now by applying the formula 2n non-square number. What is the value of n here? N is 7. So answer is 2 multiply n. It means 2 multiply 7 is equal to 14. So 14 is the answer. 14 non-square numbers lies between the 7 square and 8 square. Now I am sending the worksheet. I hope all of you are going to solve the sums. Thank you.